How to update Chrome on iPhone. So if you're using the Chrome browser on your iPhone and now you want to update the Chrome application to latest version, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to update the Chrome application on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Now once opened the App Store on your iPhone, the next thing is you can either click on the spotlight search to search for the Chrome application. Now, if there is an update available, you're going to see Google Chrome update. However, another way you can use to update your Chrome app on your iPhone is click on the profile icon at the top right, then scroll down the page. Under Update All, then you should see Google Chrome. Then click on it. To update the Google Chrome application, you just need to do this. Go ahead and click on Update. At this point, you may be asked to type in your Apple account password. Then go ahead and type in your Apple account password. Then go ahead, click on the update button, and then the Google Chrome application will be updated on your iPhone. So that is basically how to update Google Chrome app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.